Hey, welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making cream of mushroom pork chops with potatoes, a comforting and easy dish everyone will love. Let's get cooking. Start by seasoning both sides of the pork chops with nature's seasoning and pepper. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next, add the pork chops to the pan and cook for about 30 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Then, flip the pork chops and cook for an additional 30 minutes. After the pork chops are done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next, in a bowl, combine 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Diced onions, a half cup of water, and 1 cup of sour cream. Once everything is mixed, set the mixture aside. Next, in a casserole dish, spread 8 peeled and sliced potatoes evenly. Then, sprinkle nature's seasoning over the potatoes. Next, spread out the mixture on top of the potatoes. Finally, place the pork chops on top. Then, cover and bake at 375 for 2 hours, or until the pork chops are tender. There you have it, a comforting and delicious cream of mushroom pork chops with potatoes. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you next time.